Hey everyone, this is just me unboxing the package I got from Nail Couture and a little bit of a rant of my experience. I will start my review in the next video. I had to split it up into several videos because it was pretty long. I try each 3 powders with 3 different monomers. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Getting ready to try Nail Couture's monomer system, or not monomer system, acrylic system for the first time. I do have to say I am not really excited to try it. I'm really disappointed in this company, to be completely honest. After the scoops and some of them came really dirty and, you know, the old products, I was like, okay, I'll give them one more chance and I'm going to order their monomer and some new acrylic to see if I get new acrylic, because I don't want to try just the old acrylic. I want to give them a fair shot to give an honest review. And I also decided to buy 2 foils just to see if they came in the same condition. Well, as you saw, they don't. They come a lot cleaner, a lot better condition. But my issue isn't that. My issue is on the advertisement for this right here, they call it a trial kit. It says in the image you get a 4 ounce of their Pink Magic Fast Dry monomer. They also have a kit called a baby kit where you get a 2 ounce of the regular monomer. I got this one, the trial kit, because it said it came with the 4 ounces of monomer. Yes, it's only 2 ounces monomer, but I have a lot of acrylics to try, and, you know, I wanted the 4 ounce. Well, they sent me this. I contacted them, and they were just really rude. I felt they were really rude in their response. I will, I don't know if I should share the emails or not, but their reasoning behind it, they told me that no mistake was made, that the advertisement and the images are on their website are for reference only, and that it was updated to the 2 ounce 24 plus months ago. And I'm like, well, how the hell am I supposed to know that? First of all, I'm a new customer, and when you go to order it, it says on the image what you're getting, and then right under that you click add to cart. The only way you would know is if you read through a whole bunch of stuff all the way on the bottom where all of a sudden it said 2 ounces. And I can't prove it, but I believe it didn't say that before, because I remember reading through them, both the kits, and the reason I got this one was the 4 ounces. But whatever. Just her response was really rude, and I don't like the way they treat their customers, to be honest. I feel like when a company makes a mistake, they should own that mistake and at least apologize. Like, I wasn't expecting anything from it. I wasn't like going to make them send me 2 ounces of monomer or anything like that. It's only 2 ounces. I just emailed them so they were aware of the situation, and just their response was not, I don't know. I guess I'm spoiled by the companies I use because they're really good companies and would never treat somebody that way. Anyway, enough of the rant. Let me get on to what I'm doing here.